Do you want to replace the Add Friend button with the Follow button on your Facebook profile? If yes, here in this post you will learn how to add Follow button on your Facebook profile on Android and iPhone. The Follow option is deactivated when a new Facebook profile is established. This means that you can only receive friend requests or personal messages in your inbox from other Facebook members. Open the Facebook app. Click on your profile icon. Tap on the menu option from the right-hand bottom corner. And then tap on the Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Select Followers and Public Content. Here, you have to change the settings. Change Who Can Follow Me to Public. Change Who Can See Your Followers on Your Timeline to Public. Change Public Post Comments to Public. At last, change Public Profile Info to Public. Tap the arrow icon to go back to the Settings and Privacy page. Here, tap How People Find and Contact You. Tap on the Who Can Send You Friend Requests. At last, select Friends of Friends. Thanks for watching this video.